Hello guys, so I'm trying to replace this instant water heater filament. So this is the spoiled one. As you can see, it's rusted and it's also worn out. Spoiled. So I got a new one, and then here is the new one. It's the one that I want to replace. You see, these are the connecting terminals. So you mentioned this one, the one that mesh onto the shell. Let me just show you where it's supposed to mesh onto. Yes, so you see uh these three terminals. Let me try and zoom and focus. Yes, that's where you replace. So it has to mesh with these three. And so now that's the replace filament, and you can see it. So when working on such project, ensure you are a qualified and certified electrician, because such projects requires really high standards of safety, and so ensure you're a qualified electrician. Thank you.